Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a week in my hair. I've never done something like this and I always thought it would be pretty cool. So why not? So the hairstyle I have is passion twist, and I don't know about you, but I have been seeing these around for months now, and I was like, alright, let me try them. So today is Sunday. I installed these on Friday, so it's been a few days, and they something. I'll take these down for you guys so you can get a full view of how they're looking, because I already got some things to say. So I used the basic regular hair that everyone's been using, the Free Twist Water Wave, I believe. I used the color 4, should have used 2, but oh well, too well. I used 6 to 7 bags, I can't remember, but it was one of those. And unlike some videos I've seen, I tried these on wet hair because I was doing some research and saw that wet hair might cause them to not frizz up as fast as they would if you did it on dry hair. We'll see, we'll test that out and see how the week goes. I don't know how I feel, guys. I feel like these are just really fancy Marley twists. I think the whole concept of using crochet hair for braids is like cute, but I just know my real hair is gonna frizz up like it's trying to already. It took me about 6-7 hours as well, so I don't know. I feel like the length of time it takes, and I know it's not gonna last that long, it doesn't equal out. It's raining outside, so I was actually kind of concerned about getting my hair wet because, as you can see, my real hair is really trying to come through, and I don't really like that look, especially with this texture. There are a lot of them in my head, I will say that. I should have maybe spaced them out better, and they do make my neck hot, so definitely gonna be keeping them up more. I do notice that they do come apart at the end a little bit. And the method I used was not crochet. I actually braided and then twisted the rest of the way. I'm not really crazy about rubber bands being in my hair, and I thought the whole crochet thing was just extra work for no reason. It already takes forever to put these things in. Okay, that's it for day 1. It's Sunday, it's June 2nd. What's happening to the summer? Okay, June 2nd. Here's what we got, okay? I'll come back to you guys with any updates, new things I learned or do. Bye. Okay guys, this is day 2. It's Monday, and so like I predicted, my hair is getting frizzier. My real hair is really starting to come out. As you can see, my edges are coming loose a little bit, slipping, especially this one. So I'm gonna redo that one later tonight and show you guys how I do it. And yeah, I'm about to go to the gym, so I'm just gonna take a headband and wrap it around as a ponytail. I'm coming back, do a quick night routine, refresh of the scalp, and show you guys what I've been using to moisturize. Not in love with the style since I put it in, but I'm trying to hold on because it does look nice from afar, so I'm just nitpicky. All right, I'll come back to you guys tonight. Okay guys, so it's definitely like Tuesday, and here is how they're looking. I feel like they look the same as yesterday. Frizz still growing, and right now I'm just really concerned with my edges because I don't know, I just feel like if your edges are messed up, you just can't look put together. So I did take one out and I'm just detangling it. I did spray it with some water. I'm gonna spray it with some more. So finally showing you guys how exactly I did them. Primarily for this, I used the Marae's beeswax. Here's the hair. It's 2 pieces of the Free Twist Water Wave put together like so. And like I told you guys earlier, I did not do the rubber band crochet method. I chose to braid it in. Now, if you don't know how to like braid in your extensions and all that stuff, I do have a video on it. That is my spring twist video. I don't like how that's looking. I tried to break it down for you guys in that video, so I'm gonna link it above so you can reference that. Ooh. So with this hair, for whatever day this is, technically I guess day 4, something like that, yeah. It does tangle on itself and on things. To get this piece out to redo it was kind of a struggle. I do like how that beeswax is setting it though. Also, I'm doing the rope method, I guess you call it, where you twist it while you twist. This is also how I do every kind of twist style now that I think about it. So again, gonna put some videos at the top or in the description box of a more clear breakdown, but this is what we got so far. When I get to the end, if it looks raggedy like it does right there, I just snip it off. There you go. That's a fresh one. And now this is like the before. So to moisturize my scalp and all that, I've been using the Shea Moisture Jojoba Oil and Yucca Butter Scalp Refresher with carrot seed oil. And you guys, I'm loving this stuff. I've never used it before. It's specifically made for protective styles, and basically it hydrates your hair, you know, while you're skipping wash day basically. It has a really cooling, refreshing feel to it. So I've just been doing this like whenever I get a really bad itch or something. Now, I don't think this replaces oiling your scalp, but it does have oil in it. So I don't know, I'm still experimenting with it, to be honest. But I do like how it feels. It feels really nice. All right, you guys. So this is Tuesday and I went to the gym last night and this is how they're looking. So we'll see. See you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, hi. It's Wednesday and I want to take these out so bad. I'm really trying to make it to a week. So I took the back out just to redo 2 of them in the back, and I also just remembered that I did try the crochet braiding method. So let me get you guys in better light. You can see this, but that's the rubber band right there, right here, and that's my hair crocheted through it, and it looks like crap. And this could also just be because of me, but I don't know. Hopefully you can see this. That's an example that even that method's not that great. So the actual crochet hair is starting to frizz up, which is, I mean, that's how it is even when people wear it regular in their hair. It's just getting really matty and raggedy looking. I keep twirling it around my finger to get it to stop, but it is starting to get a little matted looking and sad. It's in this bun because I'm that fed up, guys. The one from yesterday is still holding on strong. I did wash the front of my edges and stuff because I don't like build up. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I've been doing at night. But right now I'm just redoing 2 in the back. Okay, I just finished doing these 2 in the back. Like, look at the difference. Just finished a few days later. Like, that's insane. So now I want to show you guys my night routine. We're gonna start from the beginning. But sometimes I just do a low ponytail in scarf and wrap it up in a bonnet, but tonight I'm gonna do a bun only because I want to get these edges laid back here, or they're not edges, I guess. Kitchen, do we still call it that? I don't know, but I want to get this back here kind of protected since I just did it. So I'm just gonna flip over all my hair. Okay. And I'm gonna start twisting. And if you guessed it, you're right, we're doing a bun. So this is how I like to do it. And I'll probably keep my hair in a bun tomorrow. And I just take a headband like that and boom. I noticed with this hairstyle, it kind of hurts my neck more than like any other style, which I don't know what that's about, to be honest. So my most important is my scarf. Has to lay down the edges in the front and everything. I always feel like, I don't know, I just feel like those just need to always be protected. So we're gonna wrap it, keep it wide in the back. Since it's in this bun form, I can just throw on my regular bonnet. And be good to go. And that's primarily it. I'm not gonna do anything crazy fancy. I'm treating this hairstyle like I treat all my protective hairstyles. So that's that. All right, you guys, hey, what's up? So here we are, day 8 actually. It is Saturday and I made it. Y'all, I'm taking them out today. I cannot take it anymore. Here is what we're left with. This craziness. And it's crazy because I went to the store today and I actually got a compliment on these. Tripping. You hear a lot of munching in the background. It's my dog. Final conclusion is these are cute for pictures and that's about it. See, they're definitely not like active friendly, I don't think. Like, as you can see, I just got back from the gym. I'm nasty, but they just don't last very long. They're frizzing up pretty bad. They slipping and moving and, ooh, sorry, scalp. Probably won't ever do these again. I have absolutely no desire to. This one, it's getting pretty bad and I don't feel like constantly touching them up. That's another thing. I think of something positive to say. They look good in pictures. That's about it. It's a little too hot for how long I have them. That's just a me thing. My neck, it's hot outside. It's about to be summer. It's here. Summer's here. This wasn't too boring. I tried to switch up the background because I know you guys are probably tired of seeing me in the bathroom. But I think that's about it. I'm taking them out today. So yeah, I hope this was helpful for you guys if you're thinking about getting passion twist. If you don't have a really crazy active lifestyle, and that's about it. I don't know. I wouldn't recommend them personally, but if you want to try them out, they're pretty. I'll give you that, but they're just not practical, I don't think. No matter what method you try, because the crochet one in the back is like completely done. So, yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like if you did, and subscribe. Join my family. I come out with new content every week, and yeah. That's about it, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.